Remote access security. Remote access security refers to the set of measures, protocols, and technologies implemented to ensure secure and controlled access to organizational systems, data, and applications from remote locations. As businesses embrace remote work, virtual teams, and global collaborations, securing remote access has become critical to protecting sensitive information and preventing cyber attacks. This involves a combination of technical safeguards, user training, and policy enforcement to reduce vulnerabilities associated with remote connections. Importance of remote access security. Remote access allows employees, contractors, and third parties to work productively from anywhere, but it also introduces new risks to organizational security. Attackers can exploit insecure connections, compromised devices, or weak access controls to infiltrate networks. Effective remote access security mitigates these risks, ensuring that remote users access resources safely while maintaining compliance with industry regulations. The rise of hybrid work models and the growing adoption of cloud services have further underscored the need for robust remote access security practices. Key components. Authentication verifies the identity of remote users, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access resources. Multi-factor authentication, which combines passwords, biometrics, or one-time codes, is a widely used method. Authorization, on the other hand, defines what resources a user can access based on their role, minimizing the risk of unauthorized data exposure. Endpoints such as laptops, smartphones, and tablets used by remote users are prime targets for cyber attacks. Organizations must enforce endpoint protection measures, including antivirus software, firewalls, device encryption, and remote wipe capabilities. Regular updates and patching are critical to addressing vulnerabilities in endpoint devices. Encrypted communication is essential for protecting data transmitted between remote users and organizational systems. Virtual private networks provide secure, encrypted tunnels for remote access, while transport layer security ensures secure web sessions. Modern solutions like Zero Trust Network Access replace traditional VPNs by continuously verifying user identity and context before granting access. Access controls ensure that users can only interact with the resources they need for their role. Implementing the principle of least privilege limits users' permissions, reducing the attack surface and preventing potential misuse or accidental exposure of sensitive data. Threats in remote access security. In phishing attacks, cybercriminals use deceptive emails to steal login credentials. Man-in-the-middle attacks involve intercepting and altering communications between users and systems. Malware and ransomware involve infecting remote devices to gain access to networks or lock critical files. Easily guessable passwords can be exploited by attackers to access systems. Remote users connecting via unsecured networks expose themselves to potential eavesdropping and data theft. Best practices. Zero trust principles require continuous verification of user identity, device posture, and activity patterns before granting access. This approach ensures that no implicit trust is given to remote users or devices. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to verify their identity using multiple factors, such as a password and a mobile app code. It is one of the most effective defenses against unauthorized access. Replacing traditional VPNs with modern solutions like ZTNA or Secure Access Service Edge ensures stronger security for remote connections. These solutions dynamically verify users and devices before granting access. All remote devices must have up-to-date antivirus software, firewalls, and encryption. Regular monitoring and patching ensure that endpoint vulnerabilities are addressed promptly. Training employees on recognizing phishing attempts, Using strong passwords and following security best practices reduces human error, which is often a significant cause of breaches. Regularly monitoring remote access activity and conducting audits help identify unusual patterns, such as repeated failed login attempts, which could indicate malicious activity. Real-time alerts and logging also enhance incident response capabilities. To summarize, remote access security is a cornerstone of modern cybersecurity as organizations adopt flexible work models and cloud-based operations. By implementing strong authentication mechanisms, secure communication channels, endpoint protection, and robust policies, organizations can mitigate risks and safeguard their assets. Continuous monitoring, user education, and adopting emerging technologies ensure that remote access remains both secure and effective, even in the face of evolving threats.